welcome to STEAM Time with Sarah. My name's Sarah and I'm the STEAM educator at the Greensboro Children's Museum. Have you ever wanted to send your friend a secret message without anyone else seeing what it said? I know spies do that a whole lot. So I've been thinking, maybe there's some ways we can figure out how to create and send secret messages that only we can find out what they say. Follow along with me. To begin this activity, you'll need a glass of milk, a paintbrush, and a blank sheet of paper. Have an idea of what you want your secret message to say and dip the paintbrush in your glass of milk. Start using the milk like paint and begin painting your special message onto a piece of paper. Make sure your brush has plenty of milk on it. That way, when it's time to reveal your secret message, the words will come out much more clear. As the milk starts to dry, the words start to become harder and harder to see. So make sure that you've remembered where you have painted words, letters, and pictures so you're not painting over them. When you finish painting your message, you're going to need to give it about 30 to 45 minutes for the milk to dry. In order to do the last step to reveal your message, you're going to need a grown-up's help to use an iron. You can use a clothing iron, a curling iron, a flat iron, or even a hot light bulb to reveal your secret message. After you have added just the right amount of heat, your secret message is revealed. If you were able to use these secret messages for your own, let us know. Leave us a comment or send us a picture on our Facebook or our Instagram. We'll see you next time.